Mavic 2 Pro update. DJI, what have you done? Cue the music. Hi guys, it's Stephen from the Flyby Guys. How you doing? You've probably noticed that there is a DJI update for the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. This update is, I find, to be quite concerning. If you look at the update, it's here on firmware version 01.00.0670, and there's 4 or 5 new updates here about, low temperature environments and whatnot, and it's quite good, and you auto discharge. But there's one update which I find rather concerning, and that's the extended range of the transmission. If you're in America, you fall under the FCC rules. That gives you an extended transmission distance of 10 kilometers. If you're in Europe, you fall under the CE rules, and that gives you an extended range of 6 kilometers. This is not good. This is not good. Any drone pilot, if you're professional, if you're not professional, you should not be flying BVLOS. Always keep your drone on visual line of sight. That's very important. Now, I do understand that DJI are not responsible, but still we have to accept responsibility, and knowing that this is not a good thing. I've been watching some of the Facebook groups over the past couple of days since this update, and people are getting a bit excited about this extended range, whether it's from the FCC or from the CE. And I have to say, please keep your drone in a visual line of sight. Do not keep it out of sight. Okay? I'm sure many of you are aware of this, and I apologise for those if this is just let's say pointless video for you. But yeah, guys, please, thank you, and fly safe.